Hello kids, today we are going to learn alphabets. Alphabets crazy. Okay kids, first you are learn colors. This is pink color, this blue color, this is light purple color, sky blue color, then green color, yellow color, this red color, this black color, this green color. You like all color? Okay kids, let's start tracing. So first, tracing alphabets. You take black color. Carefully watching. This A. A for apple. This letter B. B for bear. This letter C. C for cat. This letter D. D for dog. Next E. E for elephant. This letter F. F for fox. This letter G. G for giraffe. This letter H. Hippo. This letter I. Echidna. This letter J. J for jaguar. This letter K. K for kangaroo. This letter L. L for lion. This letter M. M for monkey. This letter N. N for net. This letter O. O for owl. This letter P. P for penguin. This letter Q. Q for quail. This letter R. R for rabbit. This letter S. S for snake. This letter T. T for tiger. This letter U. U for unicorn. This letter V. V for vulture. This letter W. W for whale. This letter X. X for xylophone. This letter Y. Y for yak. This letter is Z. Z for zebra. Okay kids, all letters are phrasing. Okay. Then you are coloring objects. Okay. Kids, you like sky blue color? You like it? Then green color. Then red color. This light green color. Yellow color. Then blue color. Then light pink color. Then dark pink. That means rose. Rose red. Okay. You first coloring apple. A for apple. Okay. Next, bear. B for bear. Okay. Next, C for cat. Next, D for dog. Next, E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. Next, H for hippo. Next, I for echidna. I for echidna. Next, J for jaguar. Next, K for kangaroo. Next, L for lion. Next, M for monkey. Next, N for navel. Next, O for owl. Next, P for penguin. Q for quail. Next, R for rabbit. Next, S for snake. Next, T for tiger. Next, U for unicorn. Next, V for vulture. Next, W for whale. Next, X for xylophone. Then Y for yak. Finally, Z for zebra. Okay kids, this is a alphabet phrasing. Seeing next video, learn shapes and new colors. Okay kids, thank you.